Hell yeah.
Yo, here with another video, right? And today we're going to do somewhat of a comparison versus type video. Which one should you buy? All that good stuff, right? Two things before we get into the video though. If you say you're going to unsubscribe, or I should get a beard line up or get a haircut, blah, blah, you should go ahead and unsubscribe now, because I'm probably not going to do nothing to this until like the CT Barber Expo, right? So if this bothers you, to the left, vocals, y'all hating. And number two, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff that comes along with being on this platform we call YouTube, right? Make sure my music off before y'all start vibing and not paying attention to what I'm saying, right? So today we're gonna do a little comparison between two clippers from Stylecraft. There are, of course, a lot of clippers on the market right now. The question when it comes to whether you're a new barber or experienced barber, or you're a barber just looking to try new clippers out, is which one should you buy? One of my main clippers or favorite clippers for the last couple years has been the Rebel from Stylecraft, right? I actually have two of them here, but not to compete with because it's the same company, but they have dropped the Instinct earlier or last year, right? So this has been one for conversation. So that's what I want to do, is talk the differences between the two clippers. Is there any differences that make you, or that stands out that you should definitely go for one than the other, right? We're gonna start with the price. The price for these, of course, you can use my discount code, save you money on either one of them. The Rebel is $189. 184, between 184 189. The prices, of course, will be on the screen. But 189, I believe, and that is the Rebel. I do not have the boxes here. I wish I did, but I just been using them. The boxes are actually at the crib. But the Rebel, 189. The Instinct, 250. Yes, you can use my discount code, save you some money, but if the price is the main thing that you are looking for, $250 for the Instinct, $189 for the Rebel, right? As far as availability, they both are on the pre-order run right now. I've talked about that before, and I understand what companies are, when they do that, they rather get a number from pre-orders and then boom, that's what we're gonna ship out. I like it better. I'm not a fan of the pre-order unless it's the first go round. You get what I'm saying? Like, let's say the clipper is new, so they put it on pre-order for the first go round. After that, unless it's a limited time edition type thing, I would like to be able to always go, if I want to buy a new clipper, because I just ordered another one of these, but I also have to wait until the second go round. And they both will be shipping out mid-March, late March, if you looking to buy either one. Again, $189, $250, both on pre-order. Use my discount code, save you a couple dollars. Now, as far as accessories, both of these are accessory-wise pretty much coming with the same thing. They both come with double magnetic guards. The Rebel come with the black, the Instinct come with the white. Other than that, they're the same thing. Both come with a charging dock. Both have the USB plug. Only thing is, this one got a not a Type C, but it got two charging ports, right? This one, it has it on the back. So they both have the same thing, right? So they both coming with charging docks. They both coming with different color lids. The Instinct comes with black, red, and another color, black, red, and something else, blue, black, red, and blue. And then the Rebel come with this pink color, black, and blue. So pretty much the same except for the pink and then the red that comes with it, right? So they both come with the color changing lids, the levers. They both come with stretch brackets. They both come with the double magnetics. They both have charging stands, which I have neither one of the charging stands here. But if you've seen the unboxings, they both have charging stands and all that stuff. So as far as accessories, neither one of them, like the Instinct doesn't stand out in front of the other to say, okay, them charging $250 for that makes sense only based off the accessories. There are nothing standing them apart so far right now except for the price. That's the difference. Of course, then we get into the build. Of course, the build is different. The Instinct is a lot smaller. I did not care for the Instinct size in the beginning, but as you get used to it, it's very nice in the hand, great for fading, all that good stuff. But we're just gonna focus on the details of the clipper right now. Both have the click lever, and of course, this has different colors, of course. They both come with the Vapor blade. The Instinct come with the gold. The Rebel come with the black Vapor blade, the Fusion blade. That's pretty much the difference. The size is the main difference in the looks. Power button here, power button there. Of course, we can do our sound test. They have different motors. This is a vector motor. This is a rotary motor. They both have I don't want to say they're loud, but they both do have a sound that's a little bit irritating at times. It's just a different hum to it. This motor versus, oh, that one's dead. We got to go to the other one. We got to go to the other one. I had one die on me. Versus, why didn't I start with this? It's the black. It just looks like it matches, right? But nonetheless, the Rebel is 7,500 RPM. The Instinct maxes out at 11,000 RPM. And the reason I say max out, because I believe I should get the app on my phone to do it. But I think at its lowest speed, it's like 9,000 or something. And then it maxes out at the 11,500 RPM, something like that. So what it is the vector motor, when it goes through thicker hair, it kind of speeds up or slow down. The blade slows down and speeds up when it's supposed to. So the main differences comes in let me see. The Instinct has 4 hours of runtime, 2 hour charge time, and the Rebel has 3 hour runtime, 1 hour charge time. So you're getting 3 to 4 hours with both of them. Both of them has charging dock. I have the crazy good power box, so I got the charging dock built into my station, right? But the main difference with these is in performance. It's the internals in the performance. Now, let's talk about the Rebel first. Of course, if you've been watching me for a while, you know the Magic Clip was my go-to clipper. I had been using it for years, right? Until the Rebel came out, and this was, because it was the same build, little bit more power, little bit smoother with bulk, this was my main go-to. And then that blade on this is, if y'all use Stylecraft blades, Gamma blades, the Fusion blades especially, top notch, right? So it was smoother with fading. It was easier to go through bulk. It lays down the hair the way I want it to. So I have been using that for a long time. Of course, interchanging with other clippers as we go, but the Rebel has been my main go-to clipper. Comes in the Instinct. Starting off, the size of it, was not a fan, right? Got to using it. Of course, it got the Vapor blade. Now, with the speeding up of the motor to go through bulk, not that this is bad with bulk, I still think the Rebel goes through bulk a little bit smoother. This is kind of contingent on it says the motor speeds up and slows down, but sometimes it's still a hassle to get through bulk. The Rebel goes through bulk a little bit smoother, in my opinion, right? The runtime is not a problem because if you got a charging dock, you're good. Fading wise though, now, great with fading. Fading wise though, to me, once it comes to this fitting in your hand, like I said, I've been used to this. So this feels normal. The more I've been using this though, I don't know, it's just the smaller compact, like I know in my review, I was like, it feels like a toy, which is still small. But once you get used to it, the size of it kinds of go away, right? You kind of don't think too much about it. So fading wise, with this motor, I like the Instinct, not a lot more, but I do like the Instinct better when it comes to fading. Rebel for bulk, which this is still good with bulk. If you go to my Instagram, I posted videos of going through thick hair, but I still think the Rebel goes a little bit smoother through bulk. This is better with fading, only because of the compact size, especially if you're doing the side taper, right? This is like in your hand, it's like, I don't know how y'all hold clippers. Some people might hold it a little lower. I hold mine way up here. Like even with the JRL, when I'm fading, like I'm up here holding it, right? Put that back. So this compact clipper, when I'm holding it where I usually hold my clipper with fading, it's like it's nothing extra in the waving in the wind. Not that it's a problem, but you can notice that difference in your hand once you get in your repetitions in with a new product, right? So all in all, and then the main thing of this video is to compare the differences. If you've used either one of these clippers, you will be able to see that there is really no difference in the packaging, first off, and the internals are different, but the uses, nothing sets these two too far apart to make them, I mean, except for that, like I said, the internal, that motor, that it's a different motor, it's a vector motor. But like I said, I would like the Instinct for fading, the Rebel for bulk. The Instinct lays down hair fine, the Rebel lays down hair fine. Once you set it, if you getting out them ball lines, of course you can get out the ball lines that's set in the blade. So the go-to, or if I was to say one that you should definitely get, it's kind of hard to say, but I would say choose the Instinct. The Instinct, you will get that better feel in your hand, that motor, that power. The only thing about it is the price. Is that price justified from the Rebel to the Instinct? In my opinion, no. But if I had to say get one, I would say get the Instinct. Just my opinion. I love this blade. I love what Stylecraft did with it. I like the color choices that they have. So you can get those different aspects when you are using this clipper. So all in all, and I know somebody in the comments is gonna be like, well, you didn't, excuse me. You're not saying which one you should get. Because the purpose of this video, because I get questions of what's the difference and which one you should get. So the main thing of this video is to really just show you the comparison between the two products. Which one you should get. If you're basing it on money, go ahead and get the Rebel because you're not losing nothing. This one has a faster motor, but this one still gets the job done. But if it was up to me, to my opinion, cussed by Reggie, which one should you get? I'm going to say the Instinct. The Instinct trimmer, not a fan of. Too much power in that trimmer, but as far as the clipper, the compact size, I'm with it. And that's just my opinion. Hopefully all this makes sense, because there's really not a lot to say about it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back with another video very soon. Like, very soon. Peace.